And just feel again the thighs connected to the sense of balance. Maybe touch your knees, which are connected in a way, symbolic way, to the sense of movement. Touch your lower legs, which are related to the sense of life. Maybe touch both of them. If you can reach them easily, you don't have to. And then feel your feet, which are related to the sense of touch. And they touch the earth, don't they? Great. And now we do what we did already. With the O, we move forward. We create an O gesture and invite our legs to walk forward through this gesture. And by doing it, we think of our thighs. And in the sense of carrier of the sense of balance. So we think sense of balance. O, observe your thighs and think sense of balance. Return to your center, walking back. Again with O, think of your feet as sense of touch. And again, return to your center. Let's do the U gesture, the parallel U gesture forward. Think of your knees as sense of movement. Be in your knees, enfolding the U. And return. Do the same U gesture, inviting your legs to walk backwards. Think the calves, the lower legs as sense of life. Can you be in your calves? Let go, breathe. We do this sequence one more time. Sit down and listen to the resonance. O, thighs, sense of balance. O, feet, sense of touch. U, knees, sense of movement. And we try not to think it with the head, we think it with the legs, with the members. Ooh, calves, sense of life. Return to your heart where you have arrived anyway. Breathe, let go, sit down and relax. What is your first impression right now? This simple exercise at the end. Does your body like it? Ask him. How much do you feel connected with your body now? Or with which part do you feel more connected? With which one less? Both is okay. And what is your total impression of your home? And how does your home perceive you?